How does Evotix approach unified EHS differently? We genuinely have one platform with all of these modules in there. So our Evotix 360 platform has over 25 different modules. Some people will have existing systems, and those can be quite sophisticated in some cases. They could even be competitor platforms. Other ones will have in-house systems that maybe they've built over a number of years and they've fallen out of fit with their current needs. EHS professionals, they're just trying to get their job done, and so only so long are you going to put up with an existing system or a need before you seek to fulfill it yourself. So again, in those circumstances, they're looking to say, well, if we're going to move, maybe that's an opportunity to look elsewhere. Although we have these 25 plus modules out of the box, you're not limited to those. So any of those we can configure away from what it is. And many of our customers actually might have what we call custom modules, which basically means we built a new process from scratch to suit them. How does Evotix connect systems, workflows, and data in practice? So the capabilities that exist in the platform that make it an all-in-one platform are really the designer toolkit. So that allows you as a customer administrator, or allows Evotix professional services staff or a managed application support team to be able to make changes directly in the system to any of the forms and processes. We've really got a whole range of tools that make a form into a process. And so lots of systems out there can deliver flexible forms, but it's those things that wrap around the form that actually make it a process that can support a business. That can be adding new fields, it can be reorganizing how the form works, it can be changing the permissions, adding or creating workflow, setting up reporting or notifications, form validations, actions and rules, all kinds of things. Evotix allows you to run all of your ESG and EHS processes within one platform.